Hello everybody, this is Kimchi Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about real world asset token, especially the promising token chosen by Peter Thiel, the founder of PayPal. Let me explain. This video consists of three parts. First, what is RWA? Second, why RWA expecting rapid growth? Third, any promising RWA project tokens you can recommend? Firstly, what is RWA? RWA is an abbreviator of real-world assets tokenization, and tokenizing real-world assets involves representing the ownership rights of assets as on-chain tokens. For example, stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities like gold, silver, they could be located, moved on blockchains so that they can be transferred, they can be sold and transferred, from A to B globally. Why is this happening? Larry Fink says tokens are the next gen for markets. He mentioned the future will be tokenized. It gives multiple benefits to BlackRock and investors alike. BlackRock already launched the first RWA fund named Beetle with Securitize, a big player in real-world asset tokenization. Benefits of asset tokenization. First, liquidity. It's more easier to buy and sell. Second, accessibility. Everyone could buy and sell even the fraction of those real-world asset tokenization, which was not possible before. Third, transparency. Everybody can track those transactions and audit those transactions. Composability of the DeFi ecosystem. So it gives clear benefits both to the financial institutions like BlackRock and investors. A lot more advantageous for financial institutions and investors around the world. And real-world assets like bonds, commodities, currencies, and real estate custodied by financial institutions. And it goes tokenized, and then it can be sold, it can go and become tradable across DeFi for deeper liquidity, faster settlement, and access to new markets. RWAs in DeFi. Its market size of the RWA is going to from nothing to $10 trillion in just 6 years. So it's going so fast. And the narratives of this year, the number one narrative this year in crypto is meme coins. The second, RWA. Third, digital identity. Four, AI. Five, centralized exchange. Sixth, it's oracles. RWA is ranked number 2 in the crypto narrative this year. The token and project that I'm going to introduce right now here is On The Finance. Its price, the crypto price is around $0.9, but back then, the IEO price of this Ondo was $0.055, and it has risen up almost 18x, and the price has become almost $1 now. The Series A and seed investment rounds, numerous promising and blockbuster level of those venture capitals like Pantera Capital, Founders Fund, founded by Peter Thiel, Coinbase Ventures, Tiger Global, Wintermute, and again, Pantera Capital, DCG, and Coin Fund. Those Avengers level of investors already invested into this On The Finance. Peter Thiel's Founders Fund co-led $20 million Series A for On The Finance in April 2022. And not only does promising VCs, but also Ivy League endowment also joined on this Series A round, said the founder of this on the finance. But they didn't. Ivy League, that university endowment, didn't reveal their name. Other investors in on this Series A funding included Coinbase, Tiger Global, Golden Tree Asset Management, Wintermute, Flow Traders, and Steel Pollard. Steel Pollard was led by former Google CEO Eric Schmidt. Ex-Google CEO bought this crypto on the finance. And their funds invest exclusively into multi-billion-dollar, highly liquid ETFs managed by the world's prominent bond managers like Blackrock and PIMCO. Their funds hold all assets at third-party qualified custodians, receive daily accounting from NAV Consulting, and receive annual audits. Third-party audited security. They implement best practice security measures, and all key smart contracts are audited by those third-party auditing companies. Their executive team has diverse experiences across leading institutions like Goldman Sachs, Bridgewater Capital, Millennium, and McAdoo. The On the Finance is ranked the number one among RWA Token ranking by the CoinGecko. On the Finance is number one. The second one is CFG, Centrifuge, and then Mantra, Polymesh, Pendle, Credit Coin, Canto, LCX, and Dusk. These are the top ranking real-world asset tokens in those crypto market cap website. You need to take some more time before you decide to invest into these kind of RWA tokens. You need to study a lot and just verify every single aspect of these tokens. On the finance, it's around, price is around $0.9, but back in January, it was just $0.2, and the price has become like 4.5x, and now it's around $0.9 or just $1. The price has risen up a lot for compared to that of that price back in like last January. So you can wait for the market crash to buy the dip, versus you can buy the narrative. And a meme coin is a huge narrative right now, and RWA is the narrative ranked number 2 this year. I think this is going to continue. This RWA narrative will be exploding in 2025 and beyond. So in the short term, I have no idea whether you need to wait or you can just buy this crypto right now. But what I can say is, although this project looks very promising in the long term, what's your thoughts on this? Thank you for listening.